In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a rule in Outlook. If you've ever set up an email rule to automatically move, flag, or forward messages and it's no longer helpful, removing it is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the process in both Classic Outlook for Windows, the desktop app many offices still use, and Outlook on the web, which also applies to the new Outlook interface. Follow along with the version you use most. Let's start with Classic Outlook for Windows, the desktop app. With Outlook open, look to the top left and click the File tab. This takes you to the Backstage area where Account and Cleanup tools live. From here, choose Manage Rules Alerts. A dialog window will open and you'll land on the Email Rules tab. This tab lists all the rules that are currently set up for your mailbox. Click once on the rule you want to remove so it's highlighted, then click the Delete button. Outlook may ask you to confirm, and once you do, the rule is slated for removal. To finalize, click Apply, then click OK to close the window. That ensures the change is saved and takes effect immediately. If you're unsure about permanently removing a rule, a quick tip is to disable it instead by clearing its checkbox in that same list, but if you're confident, deleting is clean and permanent. Now, for Outlook on the web or the new Outlook experience. In the top right of your mailbox, click the Settings gear icon. A panel opens on the right. Scroll if needed and select Mail, then choose Rules. You'll see your list of rules here. Find the rule you want to remove and click the trash can icon, or click the delete link next to it, depending on the layout you see. In some versions, you'll be prompted to click Save to confirm the change. If you see that option, make sure to save so the deletion sticks. If you don't see a Save button, the deletion is usually applied automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching.